This is the Eddy's Pizzeria. Yummy! Let's go inside. Ah, this is the kitchen treasures. The most important section of any restaurant is the kitchen. It is where all the yummy, delicious food is made. We have to get our kitchen ready for the orders, and we need to arrange the containers for the toppings without leaving any gaps, which means we have to find out those containers which can tessellate. So which of the following containers below will leave gaps? Let's look at the first one, jalapenos. We have option A, option B and option C. We find that A and C tessellate beautifully, whereas B leaves gaps. The next one is the onions. We have option A, which tessellates, which does not leave any gap. B again doesn't leave any gap, while C leaves a gap. Can you see that? Next is cheese. Option A is the one that leaves the gap. Look at option B and C. There are no gaps available there. The pizza sauce. Option A, there is absolutely no gap. Option C, again, which is the diamond format, has no gaps left there, whereas option B is the one that has the gaps. Did you enjoy doing this? And do you know the origin of pizza goes back to ancient times? Greeks and Egyptians were cooking a pizza like flat bread and topping it with olive oil and spices.